What if I tell you that if you believe you're operating from your five senses, it is blocking 90% of your possibility? And what if I tell you exploring beyond these five senses is not mystical, it is scientific? Have you ever heard that someone says you're not operating from your potential? Is it annoying? In spite of knowing that you're doing more than enough, whatever you could do, and even you know it within your heart that you can do more, then what is it? A weird discomfort in your gut, in spite of having everything around you, in spite of living a very comfortable life, still you can't spot it. What's the problem? Someone asks you, how are you? You say, I'm fine, there's nothing that's wrong with me, but still you know there is a void. And you know what is the best part? The best part is that your soul knows your potential. The soul knows why you're here. That's why it doesn't let you be at peace. It keeps nudging you, pulling you, irritating you. You can choose to ignore it and call it life. That's the way life is, ups and downs of life. Or you can face it head on. And there comes the tricky part. You have been told that you cannot access these senses. Only some special people who have extrasensory organs can access it. What if I say this is wrong? What if I say the only way to activate these senses at step 1 is to just know about it? It's not special at all. It's our default setting. It's just that we have never switched it on. Sometimes all you need to hear is one truth that will change your life. And the moment you hear it, one sense gets activated. That's how it works. Coming from my personal experience, awareness is not built slowly. It activates instantly. And with all due respect to the intelligence of human race, not even begin to meet who you truly are. The only thing between you and that higher version of yours is the courage to experience what lies beyond your beliefs. So, do you need to come to me to know that? No, you just need to question yourself. And for the rest of you, the video is coming soon.